Okay, today I have a Tesa 5-pin. We do not have a key for this lock, but it's a real pretty shiny lock. Doesn't look like it's been used that much. It's a 5-pin. We're going to open it up and gut it today because it is rekeyable. So let's just put it in the vise and set it aside for a second, because we're going to check these other two. I received this from Rob in the mail. This is a master, had something on it, just pieces of trash where I laid it down. Okay, this is a master safety lockout lock. Don't have a key for it. We'll get around to opening that one day. And this is a WB. I've opened this WB lock, but this is one of the hardest WB locks that I've opened. This one's going to take just a little bit more practice on it to get the time down some, but I think the reason why is because of the bitting on this key. So anyway, we're going to lay this aside and we're going to start on the Tesa. And see what we can do with the Tesa, and we'll pick it and gut it. Okay, let's use the top of the keyway, and let's use this Peterson pick. Let's go to the back of the lock, and work our way to the front. Okay, get a little feedback on one. Okay, there's pin 1, got a little turn of the plug. So let's go to the back of the lock again. Okay, there's a little bit of 5 and 4. Let's go to the back again. Okay, there's 1 again. Okay, there's 5. Some on 3. Let's go to the back. Okay, there's 2. Oops, touched 4 of them. We got a little bit more on 4, and now we got a little bit more on 5. Let's go to the back. Okay, get a little feedback on 2. I mean 1, not 2, but 1. Try a different pick, see if we can set pin 1 without knocking everything out or without losing everything. Okay, hard to get to that pin 1 right on the edge. See if we can do it. Okay, we'll drop the tension wrench. See if we can get it back in. Okay, let's go to the back of the lock. Let's go back to our Peterson pick. Okay, we lost our pin 5, but we got it back then. I think pin 1 is what's there. It is what's holding us up, keeping us from opening. So anyway, we got the lock open. put that back there. Okay, now we don't want to lock this thing back up, so let's see if we can get this clip off without locking it up. Okay, there we go. That worked out real good. Okay, hold on just 1 second. Okay, let's see if we can use this follower and slide this out without losing everything. Okay, we have all 5 pins in. Okay, pin 1 is serrated. Whoops, that's pin 2. Okay, pin 1 serrated. Pin 2 is serrated. Pin 3 serrated. Pin 4 serrated. And pin 5 is serrated. And let's take a look at the plug. Okay, all 5 chambers are threaded in the plug. Let's check our top pins now. Then we'll take a close look at them. Okay, pin number 1. Okay, that's a little bit deep spool. Looks like it's tapered on the ends. That is a similar to a trampoline pin. That is a smaller spool. Okay, that's a standard pin, I believe. And that is a another similar to a trampoline pin or a double spool, whichever way you want to call it. And okay, everything in this lock has been threaded also. It's hard to tell, but you can see that the threads are in the sides and feel it. So all 6 chambers are threaded. I mean 5 chambers. Okay, that's what we have in this Tesa. So let's look at the pin just a little closer, then we'll put this on YouTube. Okay, this is a spool tapered on both ends. This is another like a similar to a trampoline pin, I guess you would call it. Serrated key pin. This is serrated key pin, another serrated key pin, a small spool on 4 and 5 is a standard pin with a serrated key pin, a serrated key pin, and with a trampoline type pin. And that, I don't know what that is. That's just a piece of trash. So alright, I appreciate you watching. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And if anyone has any key blanks that might fit this Tesa, let me know. Thank you.